Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming kit expiry and that the sealed pouch is intact. This ensures reagents will work. Next, decide if you will use midstream or a cup. Follow the kit insert. Once done, collect first morning urine when HCG is highest. This increases accuracy. You should remove the test from its pouch just before use, keep the absorbent tip directed down, and have a timer or watch ready so you can track the recommended wait period. You either hold the absorbent tip in the urine stream for the specified 3-5 seconds or dip it into a collected cup for the instructed 5-10 seconds. This delivers enough urine to reach the test strip. After sample application, place the test flat so fluid migrates evenly across the result window. Make sure to start your timer immediately because reading too early or too late can mislead you. While waiting, avoid moving the device. Consistent incubation gives the clearest line development. You read the result within the kit's specified time window. A control line confirms the test worked, and any test line, even faint, generally indicates pregnancy because it detects HCG. If the control line fails to appear, discard the test. This means the kit malfunctioned, and repeat with a new kit. If results are unclear or contradictory, wait 48 to 72 hours and retest when HCG may be higher, or contact your clinician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.